So guys, we have our sample project on. Now to add timer, tab on plus, then insert any text you want, change the text style, size, the color you want for your timer, position the text, make sure to give it full width. Suppose we are done with our text, move to the end of the video clip. This will be our timer duration. Let's match it with the video clip. Move to the first frame, select the text layer, effects, add effect, text, then the time code. Standard settings. As you can see, we have two options here, relative and frames. If we enable frames, we will see the frame counter, like as our project is 60 fps, so 60 frames equal to 1 second. Lastly, the relative. If the relative is disabled, even if we have empty space, the timer will still count the time. And if the relative is enabled, the timer will not count the empty spaces. So guys, that's how easily we can add timer in Alight Motion. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.